And also, I got a real sexy makeup tips with my little pal Elle over here. Coming right up. Don't go anywhere. It's awesome. We're bringing sexy back on Street Side today. Keep it right here.
Good morning. We're bringing sexy back today, and what is more sexy than makeup? It takes you from the daytime look to the evening drama, and I'm joined with Carol Young Moses, makeup expert, to tell us all about bringing sexy back. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Very well, thank you.
Okay, so you have some ideas for us on how we can kind of sexify our makeup.
Definitely, definitely. Daytime makeup actually can not only make you look sexy, but it makes you really feel sexy. So what we've done is we've taken just a basic daytime look and just cranked it up and kicked up the sexy factor, and I can tell you exactly how to do that.
Okay, well, we have a picture of that if we can take a look at that before picture. This is your model, Elle.
And she's in just a great little jersey t-shirt dress from JEP Boutique in La Jolla. Just regular daytime makeup and accessories. Just very obviously, she's a very beautiful girl. But she could be wearing this to work, going to school, a lunch date, what have you.
But now we're gonna see the after. Elle is with us, beautiful as she is, and now she is looking simply fabulous. And this is her sexy look. And what have you done here?
Well, she's actually in the same outfit. She's got the same dress on. We just re-accessorized it. Vanessa Valiente did all the styling for us here, and we just cranked up her makeup a little bit. We gave her a little bit more foundation. We really played up her eyes and her lips. This look for lips is very, very hot right now, that deep berry look. You could do it with a chocolate brown, you could do it with a berry. We've actually just gone very subtle on the eyes. If you go with a more dramatic lip, you definitely want to go more subtle with the eyes, which is what we've done. Exactly, because then you don't know where to look. So you pick that feature and you play it up.
So that's one of your first tips. Pick a feature and play it up.
Play it up, definitely. Since Elle's got such beautiful eyes, they're already standing out, so we picked her lips to play up. The other thing is you want to intensify the eyes. From daytime, she had a very kind of a natural shadow look, and we didn't really go really heavy with the shadow. We just gave her a much more vibrant eyeliner. So we did that hot purple around the eyes, very, very hot again for the season. And again, toned down the eyes a little bit, added a little bit of lashes for her. If you have dramatic eyes, you want to go with a subtle lip, and if you've got a dramatic lip like Elle has, you want to go with a more subtle eye. So that's what we did.
Kimberly, what do you think about this?
Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous. I feel weird. I should be standing way over here. You are fabulous. Look at that.
Got to keep those brows groomed also. Keep the eyebrows groomed. That really brings the eyes out quite a bit. Shiny lips are always very sexy. We did a little bit of highlighting around her eyes, gave her that little pop of glamour, and just tousled the hair, sexy bedroom hair.
Does she have white? And I know sometimes that helps her eyes pop, like after a hard day.
She actually has no white anywhere. She's got a little bit of a highlight on her eyelid up on the top, and that's what really brings the eyes out. Sometimes people think you have to use white, especially if you're a darker skin tone. If you put white under the eyes, it's too much. It actually overcompensates for what you're trying to do.
All right.
And she looks great. I want to thank Mika Bennett for helping with her makeup and hair today. And she looks fabulous right down to her sexy shoes.
Okay, and Carol, you are with IC Artistry. We have information there, www.icartistry.com, and some other information on how you can find more sexy makeup tips. Thank you so much. I think Kimberly and I are ready. We're getting all the facts together, right? We got our Diva for a Day package, our makeup tips. We're good to go.
I think so, man. I think that's going to be a whole new show next time you see us. We're going to be good to go. All right, we got Ann and Troy coming up in their concerts on the square, and more Street Side coming right back.
I loved you.